All right, good evening. Welcome for the important lecture on haloalkanes and haloarenes. We have already done the nomenclature and the preparation of haloalkanes. Now we are coming to important chemical reactions of the haloalkanes. And the chemical reactions which we are discussing today here involves what type of chemical reaction the haloalkanes will show. The question is what type of chemical reactions the haloalkanes will show to our students. देखो कि we are having haloalkanes. Haloalkanes, how do we write haloalkanes? You are having RX. This is my haloalkanes. This is how we write. Or you can say if I have something like CH3, CH2, Br, supposing. This is my haloalkane. The most important reactions of haloalkanes are nucleophilic substitution reactions. Nucleophilic substitution reaction. This is very important and questions will be asked on this. What is a nucleophile? You already know, students, what is a nucleophile. What is a nucleophile? Those reagents which have got negative charge or lone pair of electrons, they are nucleophiles. How do we write? Supposing I say Nu, this is my nucleophile, this is a negative charge on it. Or you can have a lone pair of electron. Nucleophiles are nothing but Lewis bases. Nucleophiles are Lewis bases. So we know about the nucleophiles. Examples, if you want to see what are the examples of the nucleophiles which we are using, you are aware of OH. If I write OH minus, then what is this?
Yes,
OH minus is a nucleophile, is a negative charge. If I write
sir.
CN, this is also a nucleophile. There is a lone pair of electron here also. If I write anything which is negatively charged, that can act as a nucleophile, or certain neutral molecules like if I write HO, what is happening? There are lone pairs of electrons. You have drawn the Lewis structure, students, yes or no? We have done Lewis structures in which we showed you these have lone pairs of electrons. If you take alcohols, oxygen has got lone pair of electrons. If I write NH3, what is there? There is a lone pair of electron. If I write RNH2, there is a lone pair of electron. Therefore, we can say that nucleophiles are those which are having lone pair of electrons, negative charge. They will attack at which point of the carbon. Nucleophiles are electron rich. So they will attach at which carbon density. Now in haloalkanes, what is the story? You are having, supposing this is my haloalkane, you are having something like this. Okay? Right? Kanal, is it okay? This halogen is more electronegative than carbon. Therefore, it has negative charge. Carbon is having positive charge.
Yes, sir, it is.
Okay?
Yes, sir, yes, sir.
So there is a,
Negative.
this bond is polar,
Yes,
students.
sir.
The nucleophile will attack which place? This carbon. If I'm saying this is my nucleophile, this is negatively charged, what will happen? This is going to attack this carbon and this will be leaving. This is called a leaving group, students. Leaving group. This group will leave, this group will enter, and the result you are getting, what result you are getting? The nucleophile is coming something like this. So what has happened? The X minus leaves. This is called a leaving group. X minus is my leaving group. This has left. So what is the result of this? This is an example of nucleophilic substitution reaction. This is the most important part of the haloalkanes. because there can be large
Yes, sir.
nucleophiles. How many large nucleophiles? We will give you a list of those nucleophiles. So the result of these will be that this will leave and this will result in the formation of large number of compounds. Hence, the alkyl halides or haloalkanes become a method for the conversion, for forming alcohols, for forming ethers, for forming alkanes, for forming amines. So many compounds we will be able to prepare from alkyl. So they are very important because RX compounds, what you are saying is, supposing I write RCH2X compound, they can be converted, conversions will be there, students, which are very important for the paper. So you will be able to prepare different type of compounds like alcohols, ethers, amines, nitro compounds. So what we are doing basically, here we are replacing, substituting the X by a nucleophile. What we are doing, X is being substituted by a nucleophile. This is the first important reaction
Hello.
of haloalkanes. Other possibilities are elimination reaction with metals also. That also we will study. That also will study. So we understand why this reaction is taking place. Okay, everything
Yes, sir.
clear here? Okay. Now we are going straight to the
Yes, sir.
example
Clear, sir.
of the nucleophilic reaction. So you can note down everything because there will be questions in the paper. Students, this is a very important point. The type of
Hmm.
nucleophiles which are coming
Yes,
and
sir. I'm writing, sir. 2 minutes.
you have noted everything,
Two
then I
minutes.
will
2 minutes
proceed
writing, sir.
further. So this group is going, this is what we call as a leaving group. This is our leaving group, and the coming group is nothing but the nucleophile which attaches with this carbon. So this bond is breaking, students, and a new bond is formed. That bond is between the nucleophile and the carbon. That is the meaning of substitution reaction. Substitution reaction. Very important chart is coming before us.
Yes, sir.
Here, what we have shown, this chart is available in the books, students, where we have tried to show you that these are the nucleophiles Nu. Nu is my nucleophile. This is my nucleophile. Here is my nucleophile. The reagent which will give the nucleophile, which I am using in the organic chemistry, students, and the products which are there. These are my substitution products. And here, first what I am saying, देखो, if you have an alkyl halide, ठीक है, you add in this
Hmm.
aqueous NaOH or KOH. What is the nucleophile which will be given by NaOH or KOH? You are having OH minus. ठीक है? This is a nucleophile,
Hmm.
aqueous NaOH or KOH. So this X will go and this will come. Then what you are going to get? What are these compounds? What is the name of these compounds? What we are getting? What we are preparing? ROH. What is ROH? What you are getting? Alcohols. So you have prepared alcohols from
Yes, sir.
alkyl
Alcohol.
halide. What we are saying, you have CH3, CH2Br,
Huh.
and you are here saying NaOH aqueous. What will be the product, students? CH3, CH2OH, OH, and you have Na going with Br. So you have been able to convert alkyl halide into alcohol. Conversion of haloalkane into alcohol
Hmm.
by the nucleophilic substitution. Similarly, if I use
Yes,
water,
sir.
what the water has? There is a lone pair of electrons, and this will be attacking this carbon C, and what you will get will be an alcohol, and OH goes with this, Br goes with H, Br. These are the methods for the preparation of alcohols. We will see that how do we prepare
Yes, sir.
alcohols by the nucleophilic substitution reaction of haloalcohols. Any doubt here?
No, sir, no doubt.
Okay, okay, note down everything because this is very important. The more important reaction is coming now. Say you have got alkyl halide, you react this with R dash ONA. Now this is a very, very important reaction in organic chemistry. Can you tell me what is R dash ONA? What is this called? What is this called? What is the name of this R dash ONA? What is this? This is our sodium alco oxide.
Okay, sir.
Sodium alco oxide. How do you get it? You have alcohol and you put sodium in it. What will be the result of this? This H will go. You have seen this is a reaction of alcohol with sodium. Sodium is a metal. It will displace hydrogen and you will get this. Note down everything. Note down everything. Students, very, very important for you. Practice is required. Dekho, you are such intelligent students. We have to
Yes,
learn the organic chemistry. We are not cramming. We are not doing rattebaji. But we will learn the organic chemistry. Then we will do practice by writing. This is the most important reaction. Tell me what will be the product in this case. What will be the product in this case, students? You have Rx plus R dash ONO. What product is going to be formed, students? What product is going to be formed? Which is the nucleophile here? What is the nucleophile here? R dash O minus. You know this is a strong nucleophile. R is a plus I inductive effect. This negative charge is there. What will it do? This will displace this X. Then what will be the product, students? R O R dash. What are these compounds? What is this compound? R O R dash. What is this compound?
Yes, sir.
What is it known as? What have you prepared? It's a very important reaction which will be discussed in and it will be asked in exam also. Williamson synthesis of ether. Williamson synthesis of ether is a very important reaction.
Yes, sir.
It's going to be there. ROR dash are ethers. Ethers. If I write like this, what is this? What is the name of this? What is the name of this? What is this? Methoxymethane. Methoxymethane. If I write like this, what a beautiful structure it is. What is the name of this? Ethoxyethane. Butterfly type. They are symmetric ethers.
Yes, sir.
So we can prepare ethers by this method. This is an ether. What you have prepared is ether. From alkyl halide, you have converted into ethers. This is an important reaction. We will study in ethers also. This is known as Williamson synthesis of ethers. And very important questions are asked in this. Further supposing we will be studying those type of reactions in the preparation. We have done it. If you have CH3Br, you are reacting with Ni in the presence of acetone, dry acetone. What do you get? CH3I. What has happened? This I has displaced Br here. I, what is I minus? Is a nucleophile. It goes and this comes. What reaction? What is the name of this reaction? Do you know what is the name of this reaction? Has been asked in the board papers. This is called Finkelstein reaction. Finkelstein reaction, where Br goes and I minus comes. This is displaced, and what you are getting is NaBr. NaBr is insoluble in acetone form solid. So this drives the reaction in the forward direction. Was called
Yes, sir.
Finkelstein reaction. Everything, keep writing, keep writing. This is important in organic chemistry. If I keep writing, why? Because this will give me practice and I will be able to learn it. Why I say students keep writing, keep writing. Because then you will be comfortable when you will go for the exams. If you don't write yourself, then what you know? You will not be able to reproduce it. The reactions to be learned,
Yes, sir.
and then we have to be able to write in the papers, exams, students. So we have to keep writing. Therefore, you have been able to prepare. Now you have Rx, you are reacting with NH3. NH3 is a nucleophile. What is the result of this? What you will get? See, you have NH, this is the lone pair. This is your compound X. This will be coming at this carbon, and this is going out, and one H goes with the HX. So what you are getting? RNH2. What is RNH2?
Yes, sir.
What are these compounds? What is this compound known as? What is this? These are amines. What you are prepared?
Yes, sir.
Amines. Actually, this nitrogen is attached to one carbon.
Yes,
This is example of 1 degree amine. Primary amine, I am saying it is a primary amine. Further, students, if I have a compound, what is my compound is Rx. I react this with R dash NH2. R dash NH2. What will happen? What is R dash NH2? This is an amine. It is also a nucleophile, even a stronger nucleophile. As you can see, the R is electron donating. There is a lone pair of electron. This lone pair is going to get with it, and one hydrogen and H is going to leave. What you will get? R NH R dash. What are these known as? What is this compound? What is this compound, students? What is this compound? This is also an amine.
Sir, this compound is
this. Nitrogen attached to 2 carbons. Nitrogen attached to 2 carbons is a 2 degree amine. Secondary amine, primary amine, and if I take secondary amine with Rx, you will get tertiary. These are some of the examples where we are doing reactions. What type of reaction I am studying? Nucleophilic substitution reaction. Do you have any doubt till
reaction? Yes, sir.
Do you have any doubt in? Tell me.
No, sir. Sir, I'll just copy it right now. 2 minutes.
Copy it. Questions are coming in the paper. You see that you should not waste your intelligence. Your papers are in March and you have to prepare it yourself. There is no option. There is no chance of school opening. You already know about it. You have to prepare everything yourself. Finish your course as early as possible. You will be more comfortable. Whatever help you have to get from the coaches, you take it. And you prepare
Yes,
the
sir.
prepare yourself for the papers very strongly, very strongly. I'm telling you, you have seen the situation is very not good, and coronavirus is not going to
Yes,
go so
sir.
easily. We have no option. So you act in a wise way. You get your course finished as early as possible. I'm telling you, and practice yourself. Practice yourself.
Hmm.
Schools will continue with whatever they are doing. They have nothing more for you. You have to do it, and do it. When you will say,
Yes,
yes,
sir.
I will rub this board, after you have noted everything, I will rub
2 minutes, sir. 2 minutes, sir.
okay. Every reaction is important. Every reaction is important. Questions are going to be asked. You have to practice, practice, and practice.
Hmm.
Because I will be discussing now a question which is very important and will come in the paper.
Done, sir. Erase, please.
Okay. The most important thing is to learn, learn, and learn. You take the best advantage of your teachers and work hard. We have no option.
Hmm.
There is nothing else we can do. This session and year will go like this.
Yes, sir.
You know, when we know what difficulties we are facing, we have to be prepared for it. As we have prepared ourselves to
Yes, sir.
save from corona, we already are doing that. We are following the guidelines of the government of India, medical doctors, practitioners. So we are healthy and surviving, but the number of cases are increasing. Number 2 point, the pollution is increasing in Delhi because that smoke stubborn what those farmers have started burning their
Hmm.
stubbles, though more smoke is coming. So you can see what is the situation in my country. We have a lot of difficulties with which we have to face ourselves. And if we will fall sick, then we won't be able to do anything. That is another problem.
Yes, sir.
So we should be healthy. We must take sound sleep 7 to 8 hours every day. Get up early in the morning and do your course
Hmm.
as early as possible.
Yes, sir.
Any difficulty, you let me know. I will
No, sir.
do whatever is possible. Okay, now the story is we have understood what is a nucleophilic substitution reaction. We have noted some reaction. Also, very important things are coming now. What is those important things are coming? Dekho, I am coming to the most important part of it, which will be always there in the paper. I have written ambident nucleophile. This is the most important part. Ambident nucleophile.
Hmm.
It will come in inorganic chemistry also. What is an ambident nucleophile, students? What is an ambident nucleophile? Can you tell me anything about this? I am putting a star on this because this is the most important question. What are ambident
Okay, sir.
nucleophiles? See, up to now, when I said
When
OH,
they are attracted to
they are
attracted to protons.
no ambident means that there are two, not one, but there are two centers, two atoms which
Okay,
can
okay,
act
yes,
as
sir, yes, sir.
nucleophiles instead of one. For example, I write nitride. What is the Levy structure? We have been able to draw the Levy structure. We have learned it so well. How do you draw? C
Huh.
N. There is a electron pair and there's a negative charge. Now you see the situation. This is our nitrile. This is my nitrile. Here you can see that carbon
Yes,
can
sir.
act as a nucleophile or nitrogen can act as a nucleophile. It has two nucleophilic atoms. This can act as a nucleophile or this can act as a nucleophile.
Hmm.
These are called ambident nucleophiles. They have more than one.
Yes, sir.
Either carbon can join, this can give its negative charge or lone pair, and nitrogen or nitrogen can bond. So those
Hmm.
species in which you have two nucleophilic centers, two nucleophilic atoms, they are called ambident nucleophiles. Another
Hmm.
example I am writing before
Yes, sir.
you. This is my N double bond O. This is my oxygen. Oxygen. Here you have 6 electron. This is having 4 electron. There is a lone pair of electron on the nitrogen. In this case, you have two nucleophilic atoms. One oxygen, other nitrogen.
Hmm.
So you can get two types of compounds. Here you can get two types of compounds. One are called nitriles.
Hmm.
Second are called isonitriles. Here you will get two types of compound. One is called nitrite, other is called nitro compounds. Therefore, it's a most
Yes, sir.
important question. Most important question for the exam. Question was like this. What was the question in the paper? Question was CH3Br reacts with KCN. The product is CH3CN. CH3CN, and this is
Hmm.
potassium and bromide, so KBr. This is the product. But CH3Br reacts with AgCN. The product is CH3N triple bond C plus AgBr.
Hmm. Yes, sir.
Now you have to, he says, explain. We have to explain. This is my nitrile. This is my isonitrile.
Hmm.
So how do we explain what is the answer of this in the paper, students? This question is important. Nitrile. This is called isonitrile. The most important question in this nucleophiles, which we have to, most important question.
Hmm. Yes, sir.
How do we answer this question? You have 1 minute. After that, I will go.
Okay, sir.
What answer I will give to this? What answer we are giving? What answer we are giving? Okay, your time is out.
Hmm.
Now I will. Can you do and can you give any explanation, or I will give the answer?
You give, sir.
Okay. You see that my answer is like this in the paper in the exam. KCN is an ionic compound. It is an ionic compound. Then what
Yes,
it will
sir.
do? It will dissociate into ions. What are the ions? These are the ions.
Hmm.
These are the ions. One is positive, other is negative ion. Now you have CH3Br and this ion. There are two possibilities. Either carbon joins with the carbon, this has to leave, and this is my nucleophile. Either carbon will come to the carbon,
Yes,
or
sir.
nitrogen will come to the carbon. But in this case, what happens? This is my CH3. This carbon forms bond with the carbon. Why? Because CC bond is more stable. CC bond is more stable than CN bond. Therefore,
Yes, sir.
the product is, this is my ethane nitrile, CN. This is my CN. Therefore, the product is nitrile. Second, I'm saying AgCN is a covalent compound. Covalent compound. Covalent compound will not form ions. Covalent compound does not form ions. Then what will happen? You have A, G, C triple bond N plus you have C and you have Br. Now this is not dissociating into ions. Carbon is not available.
Yes, sir.
Carbon is already bonded. So which is available? Nitrogen lone pair. Therefore, nitrogen will form bond with the carbon. Because now nitrogen is the nucleophile. So what will be the compound which we will get, students? CH, 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 N triple bond C. What is this? Iso nitrile. Got the answer? This has to be written in the exam. Very important question.
Okay, sir.
You will note down. You will note down. Very important question. We are studying the nucleophilic substitution reactions of haloalkanes. They are the most important reactions which the haloalkanes undergo. And here is a question on ambident nucleophile. I'll give one more question on this. First, you students note down so that I can proceed further. When we write answers in the paper, we have to be clear what we are writing. You will not write, but you are not sure. Less has to be written, correct information has to be written in the papers. When you will say, yes, I will rub this board.
Yes, sir.
Rub it?
Done, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
All right. So this question we have been able to answer in the exam. This question has been asked many times. Such questions are important. They will be asked in the papers. Ambident nucleophile is very important, very important. There is till now no paper where they are not asking. Inorganic chemistry also it will be coming. Coordination compounds, you will get isomers. What we are doing both all with you, trying to understand, trying to decode the entire NCERT book so that we can solve all the questions given in NCERT and other books, and we will be very comfortable in the exams. Question number 2 is coming on the screen. And we expect these are important questions. Important questions. That's why Give more time on important question. Question number 2 is coming. What is the CH3Br reacts with KNO2 with KNO2. The product is CH3ON double bond O. This is called methyl nitrite. Methyl nitrite, I am saying. CH3Br reacts with AgNO2. The product is CH3NO2. NO2. This is called nitromethane. Explain. Question. Explain.
Yes, sir.
What is the answer? You have 1 minute.
Hello.
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 Yes.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
What is the answer you have given? You are saying that NO2, which we have written NO2, is a ambident nucleophile. Ambident nucleophile. KNO2 is ionic compound. Then what will happen? Ionic compounds are those which dissociate into ions. What ions are being produced here? O, N, double bond O. So there is a lone pair of electron on the oxygen also. Here we know how many electrons are. 4, 6,
Yes, sir.
2, 4. Now in this case, what will happen? Double bond oxygen is not going to form a bond because it's already double bond, either this or this, either this or this. So here CH3Br plus O, I'm now putting in this way. Oxygen forms bond, carbon oxygen bond is more stable than carbon nitrogen bond. So therefore,
yes, sir.
CH3ON double bond. This compound is formed.
Okay, sir.
This is nitrite. Further, what we said that AgNO2 is a covalent compound. Therefore, it will not dissociate. It is not dissociating. Then what you have? CH3Br plus AgNO2. This is, there is a lone pair of electron. Lone pair of electron. Then what will happen? This nitrogen will attach here.
Yes, sir.
What will be the product? Nitromethane. This is nitromethane. This is the answer. Very important. So ambident nucleophile, I have told you, we are going to be there in the paper.
Yes, sir.
So you have noted down everything.
I'm writing, sir. 2 minutes.
Okay.
2 minutes, sir.
Okay, okay.
Done, sir, now, done.
All right. So we are very confident of these ambient nucleophiles. There's no problem. These questions we will be able to do in the exam.
Hello?
Hello. We are coming.
Yes, sir, yes, sir. I thought your voice was.
More questions we are coming. All right. Now we are done with this KCN and AGCN, KNO2, AENO, the most important questions. Further, there can be nucleophiles like we have Rx, and what we are doing R dash C O minus. This is a nucleophile. O minus is a nucleophile. What will be the product then? What will be the product in this case? This is a negative charge on the oxygen. What it will do? How many? There will be, these are 6 electrons. So what it will do? This is going to attach to the carbon. But where it is coming? This is negative. This is positive. What is the result of this? What is the product? R dash C double bond O. O, this, what you are getting? CH3. What is this product known as? What have we prepared? What are these compounds? In organic chemistry, what is the name of these compounds? Esters. So what you will get esters? Usually the salts which we are using, this is R dash C double bond O H. This is plus, this is minus. So we can use the silver salts of carboxylic acids. They will perform the nucleophilic substitution reaction. You will get the esters. Another important thing, you have Rx. You react this with lithium aluminium hydride. What is the nucleophile which is present in lithium aluminium hydride? You know that lithium aluminium hydride is a strong reducing agent. It will be used a lot in organic chemistry as a reducing agent. If I put this one, this is my 2, this LiAlH4 is going to be used as a reducing agent. It's a very strong reducing agent in the chemistry. What is the nucleophile which is present in LiAlH4? Can you tell me what is the nucleophile which is present in LiAlH4? Hydride ion, you have heard about hydride ion. It is having negative charge. Hydride ion. So if this will attack this carbon, what will be the product? What will be the product, students, if this comes? If this comes at this carbon H minus, what is the product then? What will be the product? You will get RH. What is RH? You are able to prepare alkanes. What you are preparing? Hydrocarbon. Hydrocarbon. Is it clear? Tell me. Any doubt? Any doubt here? Any doubt? So we can prepare the hydrocarbons also by using lithium aluminum hydride. It is also example of nucleophilic substitution reaction. Another reaction which we have shown here. If I have, I have told you, if I attach metal with R group, what metal we are attaching? If you have metals with the R group, if I have CH3, some metal is there. Some metal is there, metals. M is a metal. Which metals are being used? If I have sodium, if I have lithium, if I have magnesium, all these are metals. What the metals do? What the metals do? Metals will lose electrons. What are metals? Metals are those which give the electrons. Metals are those which give the electrons. So they are positive and there will be negative. So once this R is negative, what will happen? R, this is negative, this is a metal. This is a carbon ion. Carbon carrying a negative charge is a strong nucleophile. Is a very strong nucleophile. And what will happen if it reacts with alkyl halide? What will be the product then? What will be the product in this case? This is my R minus. This is going to attack to this carbon. This is going to attack to this carbon. This group is going to leave. What you are getting is RR dash. What is RR dash? Alkanes. So you have been able to prepare higher alkanes, carbon, higher alkanes. This was R dash R dash R. This alkane is higher alkane from this. This is a lower alkane. You are getting more number of carbons attached. Here the number of carbons have increased. So this is what you are getting is a higher number of carbons. You have increased the number of carbons starting from this haloalkenes. So this is what you mean that you can add the number of carbons by this method. So if you want to prepare a higher alkanes, which contains more carbons, than RX, then I can apply this method. I hope this is the complete type nucleophilic substitution reactions which we have explained to you, as well as ambient nucleophiles. I hope everything is clear. Any doubt? Tell me any doubt in these nucleophilic substitution reactions. Okay, then our lecture ends here. We will continue about the mechanism of the nucleophilic substitution reactions in our next lectures. Okay, good night. We will see you in our next class. You can note down everything. Note down all these. They are important. Make your notes. Your notes will be very helpful, students, to you in the examinations. And then we will see you in our next class. Okay, good night.